is our POLITHRIFTY website, and then you have to log in with email and password you created earlier. And then this is our profile, dashboard. And if you want to be a seller, you can click here and then you can see our seller dashboard. We can add products and sell your things according to our category we provided. And then if you want to buy things, just press on category, choose for a product, see for the descriptions, and then add to cart. And then you have to proceed to add to cart, and then you have to enter your email address, name, city, and where you want your product to be sent, like Polytechnic Nilai, and then our police pin code, and then landmark would be cafe or your campus room. And then you have to save that, and you have to click that. And then you can choose either time to be delivered or payment method, and then your order is successfully placed. Then you can see your layout like this, and you can see whether it packed or on the way or delivered. And then after you deliver your product, you can click confirm, and this is our website.
This is our seller dashboard. In this, we can add products and sell your things according to our category that we provided, such as category, subcategory, name, price, selling price, final price, SKU, quantity, terms and conditions, short description, and lastly, add some pictures of the products. And then you can check the product that you want to sell is placed successfully.
This is a delivery dashboard. We can click the order assigned to see the product we receive, and then click for deliver to see the product already out for deliver. And then after deliver the product, we can click delivered, and then we can see the product that we deliver in the delivered confirmation options.
So for the next website page is about admin. In this website page, we can add category, subcategory, add country, add state, add business time, and more. Moreover, this page is used for accept the order received, accept the order assigned, accept the out of delivery, and more. So this page admin can use to edit the products, plus can view the product that they are edited. Moreover, we can add the product quantity in this website.